Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to factorize the following expression. And the first thing I saw is that I could rewrite 25x squared as 5x bracket square. Because 5 times 5 is 25, x times x is x squared. I could also rewrite 49 as 7y bracket square. And then I realized I could rewrite 70 as 2 times 5x times 7y. And why does Mr. Tan purposefully write in this form? Because a minus b square is equals to a square minus 2 times a times b plus b square. Meaning that I could actually tap on this particular formula now, or special product, to give me the final answer easily. And I would have 5x minus 7y bracket square. Alright, and we are done with factorization of this question. Let's move on to the next question.